Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we will discuss how to add a specification section in RMS. Let's get started. The Construction Specifications Institute's CSI MasterFormat is the most widely used standard for organizing specifications for building projects in the United States and Canada. The format of the section numbers has changed over time. However, this library includes the section numbers in the formats used in the 1995, 2004, and 2014 MasterFormat editions. One of the easiest methods for adding the specification sections table to RMS3 is to import from either SpecSyntax file or with an Excel file type. Check with your USA's representative to determine if either of these import methods are recommended. To learn more on how to import a SpecSyntax file or importing a submittal register, please see the links in the description boxes below. When there are additional specification sections that are not in the import file, you can still manually add them by using the Manually Add New Section option. If you manually enter some sections, then perform an import, RMS3 will not duplicate the entries that are exact matches. If you end up with duplicates, you should delete one of the entries, but be sure not to delete the entry that came from the SpecSyntax file, because that is the version that is linked to the submittal register item. If SpecSyntax is being used, the same section number should also be used. If we navigate to the Submittals tab, then the Specification Section module, we can begin by clicking the Add button, then select Manually Add New Section. From here, we will enter the specification section number and name as exactly shown on the contract documents. Click OK, then the back button to save the changes. Continue doing this until all the specification sections are included in the table. You may also select sections from the MasterFormat libraries by clicking on the pre-formatted libraries and selecting all of the sections required for your contract. Use these libraries when the specification numbers follow the MasterFormat specific to your contract. Repeat this process for the remainder of the sections. If titles from the library do not match exactly, select Edit to revise the name in the table. Then click the back button to save. In summary, we discussed how to add a specification section in RMS by importing the files as well as manually adding new sections. We hope you found this video informative and thank you for watching.